Today I'm going to teach you how to use Canva. So before that, I'm taking you through the introduction of Canva on your phone. When you open the Canva app on your phone, this is the interface that you see over there. So here we have home. When you come to the bottom of the app, you will see home, projects, and there is a plus sign there, then template and Canva Pro. So here our emphasis will be at projects, the plus, and the templates. As for the Canva Pro, you are supposed to buy it. So there are certain features that when you pay for the Canva Pro, you get access to it, especially the template and some of the other designs. Some of them are for Canva Pro. If you haven't paid for it, there is no way you can use them. So far we'll start with projects. When you click on projects, this is what you see over there. And mind you, this one, it requires internet connection. So wherever you are staying, if your internet connection is running slow, it will run a little bit slow. So when you click on the project, you will see all folders, design, and image. So let's wait for it to upload. And these are the recent app that I have designed so far. So anytime that I want to make any editing, I can just go there and click on any of the design, then edit it. When you click on the folder, this is what you see over there. You see purchase, start, and upload. So if you click on the upload, you just upload any of your projects that you have done so far, then make editing on that. So these are some of the images. If you want to use them for your design, you just click on them, then you work on it. So let me go back. And before these images can be uploaded over here, unless you remove the background for those images. And to do that, I have already sent you the video for removing the background of an image. So you need to follow that video before you come to this. Otherwise, when you try to upload any image without removing the background, it won't be possible. There is no way you see that image over there. So before you can see it, unless you remove the background. So let me move to design. When you click on design, in the same way you will see some of your designs over there. Here you will see that I have completed some of my design, others too I haven't completed. So if I want to continue, I just click on it and start from where I have reached. Image 2, you will see the pictures that I showed to you over there. So that is that. And they have arranged them based on owner, category, date, modify. So anyhow you want to arrange it, you just click on it. Then let me go to templates. So templates. Under the template, this is what it implies. The template is for already designed flyers. So assuming you want to design a birthday flyer and you want already designed one, you will just go to the search bar and search for it. Any type of flyer or document that you want to work on, you just search the name. So if you want to search for birthday flyer, you just type birthday flyer. If you want to search for party flyer, you just search for it. If you want to search for wedding invitation card, you just click on the search bar and type wedding invitation card. So here I'm typing birthday flyer. And for these flyers, as I said earlier on, we have the pro and the free version. So before you can get access to the pro version unless you pay for it, but for the free version no payment is required. So these are the flyers that I'm talking about. So here you could see that there are some already designed birthday flyers here. So if you click on any of them, you just edit the name, then you input your own over there. So assuming I want to use this birthday flyer, I will just click on this and change the date and the place. I'll click on use this template, then make my editing. Yeah, they said it is a pro version, so before I can use it, they are giving me 14 days for free trials. After that, I have to pay for it. And yeah, one thing you have to notice, anytime you see this ground or the paid, it means those one are for the pro version. So when you see any crown on any of the flyers, those one are for pro version. Before you can make anything any editing on that unless you pay for it. If not, you're not able to edit it. So let me look for the free template. Also, when you click on the replace, you go to image. So you are going to upload image. You can also use Canva to make video editing, but here you focus on how to use it to make design flyers. So I'll click on any of this image, then it will automatically replace the other one. You can reduce the size or enlarge it. You can also change the background color. So anytime you want to change the image of any flyer that you are working on, you just come to the bottom here, then you click on replace. So when you click on the replace, then you go and upload the image. As I said earlier on, before you can get your picture or replace the picture that you want to use for your flyer, unless you remove the background for that picture. If not, it won't show over there. And you can also apply effects on that. So when you apply, you click on the effect. This is what you see over there. Here, these are the pro version. So you can use the magic eraser, BG remover, and the other rest. But as for the blur, you can apply it. So here you can see our picture is blur. So if you want to change it intensity, you just drag it to the size you want it to be. So if you want to blur your picture, you just click on the intensity, you drag the intensity to the level that you want your picture blurriness to be. So that is how it is. Then if you want to go back, you click on the undo key at the taskbar. So here I'm done with the template. I'm moving back to. So this is the options that you see over here. If you want to create your own flyer, this is the size. They say the custom. So as for the custom size, you input value over there. So just measure the size of the flyer, then you input it over there. And for document, that one too, you will do the same. For mobile video, that one do thumbnails. So on size. So as just like what I said earlier on, when you click on the custom size, you input your own values over there. So assuming you are working on a billboard banner, you will just measure the size of the billboard, then you input the values over there. You can measure them in terms of inches, millimeters, centimeters, and pixels. So any of the measurement that you will take, you just place it over there. So I'm going backwards. So just like what I said earlier on, the mobile video is for YouTube thumbnails. The flyer too is for normal flyer size, your story, portrait, Facebook, landscape, the voicemail. So I'm clicking for documents. So when you want to type a text, the same way you click on the plus sign, then you scroll the button keys. So when you scroll it, you will see text here, then you click on it. So as for the text, we have add heading. That is the big title. So your title should be the heading. Then you come to the subheading, then add a little bit of the body text. So I'll click on add heading. That one need to be, the size need to be big. So the text is already highlighted. So I will just input my own text over there, copy, or let me type shapes. Then I will highlight it. apply the color font. So the color font, anyone that you want to use, you apply it over there. Then for the animates, so that is how it will be. Anyhow you want to animate it, you just choose it. So those one are for picture, video animation. Here our emphasis is on graphic design. You can also set for transparency, but here I'll be using picture for you to get it clear. So for the transparency, assuming I have input this text on the shape, I will just apply transparency. So how I want to see it, I just apply my transparency on that. If you want to flip any shape, you just click on the shape, then you click on flip. So here I'm going to flip the triangle. So you can flip your circle horizontally or vertically. As for the triangle, I can't apply any flip, but you can turn it upside down in the way you want it to be. So that is that. So here I'm going to upload a picture, and there are some other text over here too. You can use them as well. So I'm deleting this one. I'm going to upload a picture. So here, if I want the play to be below my shape, I will just go to the position. So I'll click on position, then you see these options over here: backwards, forward, and to front. You can also set for the alignment, either left, center, or right. So when you click on the arrange, this is the option. So that is for the forward, backward, and to back. Then for the advance, that is where you apply your image rotation and the size the and the side of your picture. So here I want my image to be above the shapes, so I will just click on arrange, then click on forward. So you keep on clicking on forward before finally your picture move above the other shape. So if you keep on clicking on the picture, you could see that the picture is now above the letter. So if I want the letter to be above the picture, I will just click on backward, then it will be on top of it. So that is how we go about it. So that is that. So this is what I want you guys to do. So if you want to use your phone to create a design, this is how you go about it. So this is the introduction that I'm giving to you. You will be doing flyer in our next video. So here I'm going to change the position. So I'm moving it backwards. So this is what I want you to do. So that is the whole idea about Canva. So you will be designing Christmas flyers, God willing, tomorrow. See you in our next video. Thank you. Here, since the video has been animated, if you want to save it, you just click on this sign here, then you click on download. So here they said MP4 mp3. You can also save it as JPEG or PNG, the way you want it. So I'm saving it as JPEG. I don't want to save it in the form of video, so I'll just click on JPEG. Then the size that you want to save it, that one too, it depends whether you are using Pro version or not. If you are not using Pro version, you can't save it in that way. Then you click on download. So that is how you save your work.